guys, today I'll be doing Beeswax, and I literally just got all my quest stuff, and now I have 503 tickets which I can use to buy the Tabby B8, and now I have enough honey to buy the golden sprinkler too, because, oh wait, I can't afford it. Oops, this tree is way more than I expected, sorry, but I'm still gonna buy the silver circus. And so I'm gonna leave the shop, and you'll see me when I get back to my hive. And in 3, 2, 1, I will be back at my hive. Wait, actually not that fast, but still I'm good. And then so now I'm gonna buy the Tabby B8 or Festive B. I think Tabby B is actually better. So yeah, I'm gonna buy the Tabby B8, and this will be like 32nd B in the game. As you can see over here, I have 31 B, so this will be my 32nd B. And so yeah, over there, minus 500 tickets plus 1 Tabby B8. And so now I'm gonna leave the shop and go place it in my new slot hive up there. I literally just collected all my badges, and now I have that. Oh, okay, all the way at the bottom, Tabby B8. So now I'm gonna place it all the way at the top. No. No transforming. I love hard to place. Oh my god. I can't place it, so I'll see when I actually get to place it. Now it's asking me if I want to hatch Tabby B8, and obviously yes. And now I have discovered Tabby B. This affectionate bee was raised by cats. It becomes a better worker as it goes up to you. So let me see, where is it right now? Oh, it's over here. Right, oh my god, so nice. So even though it's quite laggy, you can see right there, over there, right there, Tabby B. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye. See you next time.